So guys, namhlanje ziyakhala kuzingane zasithembu season 3. There's a new member and people are already asking themselves, ubani manje lona guys? It could be Lwandle's girlfriend or Mpumelo's new wife. So anyway guys, let's get to start off today. You know the rest of the houses. I'm Peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. So guys, Mzansi Magic, they posted this mini video. As you can see guys, the lady, she went on to say, my name is Amanhle, catch me tonight on Izingane Zesithembu. So guys, now we are so confused. She's the new wife. What is going on nowadays? Mzansi Magic is making sure we must not know everything. So guys, we cannot wait to see. Some are saying this could be Lwandle's girlfriend, because we needed drama Lwandle guys. This season we expect a lot of Lwandle. Even on a trailer Lwandle, he did say this time uzoleta vibes drama. So guys, we cannot wait to see her tonight. So anyway guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.